Welcome back. This is my RPM Racing Performance belt. Supposed to have lifetime warranty. Great performance. So let me unbox it. Just showed you the part number, just in case, for my B20 that I have in my basement that I constantly keep talking about. I'm just showing you all the parts I have before they get installed. This is a very, very, very nice belt. Details are really nice. Very, very nice belt. Like it's not like one of those serpentine belts that this is like no joke. So yeah, I'm not trying to waste your time. This is my RPM belt that will be getting installed in my B20 VTEC. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching, and there goes that RPM belt. I spent, I believe, $70 to $80. Yep, $70 to $80 for a belt. Hey, it's lifetime warranty and it's proven to be the best, so might as well get my money worth. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching.